Is your Windows 11 system freezing randomly? I'll guide you through potential solutions to resolve this issue and bring back smooth performance. Stay tuned for quick fixes to eliminate random freezes and enhance your Windows 11 experience. Click the Windows taskbar icon to bring up the Start menu and select the pinned Settings app there. Select the Display Navigation option on the System tab. Click the Display Resolution option to open a drop-down menu with multiple resolutions to choose from. Select a resolution lower than the one you currently have. Click on the Keep Changes option on the dialog box prompt to confirm the modification. First, click the magnifying glass icon beside the Start menu on the taskbar. You'll need to enter CMD in the to search box to find the command prompt. Make sure you open an elevated prompt by right-clicking the command prompt search result and selecting Run as administrator. Enter this command and press Return. Next, type in the following SFC command and hit Enter. Now wait for the System File Checker scan to finish and display an outcome within the command prompts window. The Windows 11 freezing randomly issue will be fixed. Open the command prompt as an administrator, as covered within the first 3 steps of the previous resolution. Tap in this disk scan command and hit Enter. Now the check disk scan will be scheduled to run on reboot. Click the Start menu, press the Power button, and select Restart. This is another great fix for Windows 11 freezing. Press the Windows and S keys both at the same time. Input Windows Memory Diagnostic within the search box that opens. Click Windows Memory Diagnostic to open it. Select the Restart Now and check for Problems option. Bring up the Search utility with its taskbar button or Windows key plus S hotkey. Enter the keyword Performance of Windows within the search box. Then select the Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows search result to open the Visual Effects tab shown directly below. Click the Advanced tab. Then select the Change option there. Uncheck the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives checkbox and select the Primary C drive partition. Then click the Custom Size Radio button. Type the recommended value specified within the virtual memory window in the Initial Size MB text box. Input a bigger value than the recommended one within the maximum size box. Click OK on the virtual memory window.
Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. If so, hit like and subscribe for more content.